Hello and welcome to Achara 90 FM. Myself Palak Padalia, General Secretary of CTS College of Architecture.
And myself Shruti Harawde, Cultural Head of CTS College of Architecture.
We are here to bring you an exciting announcement that's going to light up your calendar. Brace yourself because it's that time of the year again. The most awaited extravaganza is back.
From mesmerizing cultural performances to adrenaline-pumping competitions, thought-provoking panel discussions and workshops that will keep you on your toes.
So we have our Fest Archinova 2024-25 from 6th of January to 10th of January 2025. So for the 6th of January we have the inauguration that will be done by unfurling the banners, continued by several workshops which will mold creative minds.
And on 7th January, we have debate and interactive session amongst all the contestants as well as the audience and the judge. Following up the debate, we have quiz that is a fun quiz to boost up everyone's mind. And following up the quiz, we have sports ongoing on 7th January. 8th January, we have debate as well as sports going on. And on 9th January, we have our special guest coming, architect Alan Abraham Sir, which will
inaugurate our exhibition. Exhibition is something where we display all the best works amongst all the students, all at the same time in the same room. Our chief guest will view all those works and also light up all the minds and share his personal experience with us as well. Next, we have Samvad Shrunkla. Samvad Shrunkla is something where our guest speaker, architect Alan Abraham Sir, will be sharing all the projects up until now and guide inspiring architects.
Following up 9th January, we have 10th January, the most awaited day of our fest, where all the cultural performances would be showcased.
The first performance that we have is fashion show, and the theme for fashion show is upcycling. Continued by fashion show, we have solo performances where all the students will be appreciated to showcase their personal and hidden talents
with only sustainable materials.
Up next, we have group performances, which is all about coordination. Also, for the 9th and 10th January, we have several stalls put up in our college for the Fest Archinova. We have our annual magazine launch planned for the 9th of January. The name of the magazine of Archinova 2024-25 is Avran.
This is Shruti Harawde, Cultural Head, signing off, but the countdown to the Archinova has officially begun. See you there and don't miss the magic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Acharya